welcome back. So it's Sunday afternoon and I decide that I want to straighten up our linen closet. So I'm taking you upstairs and I'm going to show you what this linen closet looks like. So as you know, I have a hall closet up here also. So I did a video on that. Let me put the light on. And I want you to see how it looks now. No prep work, no nothing. Still in order. I'll link the video down below, but I just want to show you that these bags have made such a difference in our household. My kids can find everything, they know where everything goes. So I decided, why not do that in our bathroom? So this is our bathroom. I mean, nothing fancy, you know. Shower, but this is our linen closet. I tried to organize it, but it didn't work out. So this is the aftermath after trying to organize it. I did declutter, but as you can see, you know, we have side shelves over here and up there. I mean, up there is just ridiculous. So I was saying to myself, what can I do so this can function better? And so I was like, maybe the same thing I did in the hall closet is what I need to do in here. So we're going to take everything out and we're going to purge again. But you know, purging should be a weekly thing, I think, because I realized we have a lot of stuff. Like when I first cleaned out this linen closet, we had so many towels and so many sheet sets, and it wasn't being used. So I was like, you know what? Let's get rid of it all. And I still kept some of the towels, but I think I'm gonna get rid of some of them today. But yeah, so we're going to clean out and reorganize this linen closet. Okay, so the space is cleaned out, as you can see. Those tags you see here, let me get closer, hold on. Sorry guys. When I first did this, I had a section for each kid, and me and my husband, and it actually worked, and I plan on doing that. But I'm going to use bins instead of just folding it. So, and yeah, all the colors, I'll explain all that, but yeah, so that's what it looks like. Only thing I left in here was these poles. We have a skylight in here, and we can use these poles to open them, but we've never opened it because this house is so old that we didn't want to chance it. So I decided to put everything in the hall over here. So this is everything that came out of that closet. And so now I'm going to purge everything. I'm going to purge everything, fold up, keep what we want, give away what we don't want. Towel wise, I may keep it for rags, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so I've had this plan for a while. So I also ordered some bins from Amazon, which I will show you, and also link down below where I got them from, and also got some bins from Target. So I wish I shop my house first, but I've been shopping my house so much that I don't have much of anything. So let's get started. so you ever do a video and you're so in the zone of what you're doing that you didn't realize that your battery died and you lost half your footage? Yeah, that's what just happened. So I'm sorry about that, but let me show you. These are the stuff. This is all that I'm keeping. I know you guys are like, why is she doing the hallway and the stairs? You know, I wasn't thinking, so. But yeah, all this is what I'm keeping. These are washcloths. I switched to all gray washcloth because I have all these multicolors, and so I switched to all gray, and I ordered those off Amazon before I even thought about doing this, but I need to order some more, so I'll link those down below. But these are all the sheets I'm keeping, towels. Well, I have a load of laundry, so that's why you don't see a lot of the towels. And this is all the stuff I'm giving away. Whoops, I'll fix that. But oh, sorry about the ring light, guys. My daughter, when we switched her room out, she downsized from a queen to a king, and I'm sorry, queen to a full. And because of that, I had queen size sheets still. So actually, I had a set that was brand new. So I'm gonna ask my parents if they want it since they have a queen size bed. So if we go back to the bathroom, I'm gonna show you the bins that I got. I usually try to do a layout of, oh gosh, it's kind of dark in here. Hold on one second. Okay, so these are the bins I bought. You probably recognize these bins. These are the bins from Target that I use in my hall closet. I got these in gray. I got 4 of these. And these are the ones I bought off Amazon. They came 6 in a pack. And so what I do is that I try to see how I want to, you know, if the layout will look good, if I don't think it will function. I'm not feeling these on this side because I think it needs to be more narrow because this side is kind of narrow. But then I wonder, like this will work, but I wish it was taller and longer, so I may have to look into that. But for now, I'm gonna do it like this. And I may use these big ones on the bottom, we'll see. Okay, so when I first did this, when I first reorganized this linen closet, I have so many different types of towels, old towels, mismatched towels, torn up towels, so I decided to get new towels instead of just all one color, because I know some people think, you know, all one color is great, you know, just it makes wash easy. But the problem is with my kids, they feel like once they use a towel once, it's dirty. And I'm just like, that's not how it works. At least not in this house. So what I ended up doing was I bought everybody 2 towels in different colors. So like my color towels are orange. My daughter's towels are gray. My other daughter is pink. My son is red. My other son is like an aqua blue, and my husband's navy blue. So everyone got 2 sets of towels, and then I also got 2 sets of sheets for each person. So that way I don't, because I don't need all this, you know, all these towels and sheets. I really don't have guests come over. It's just like my sister and her kids and her husband, you know, or my cousin, you know, but I really don't have a lot of guests. So, but I do have extra towels for guests in case, you know, I just have 2 extra towels. So, and I also have beach towels. Now, my kids have started using the beach towels as regular towels. I don't want them to do that. So I'm gonna have a bin for the beach towels. So by me doing this, each kid has their own bin, and I'm gonna put labels on. I'm gonna get rid of these labels I have in here now and put their name on the bin. That keeps their 2 towels, their set of sheets. It only holds 1 set of sheet because one's on the bed already. So also comment below, does your kids use the flat sheet? Like, it's funny, I never used a flat sheet when I was a kid or when I was single, but now I have to have it on my bed. And my kids do not like it. And I was like, should I give those away? Should I keep it? Should I repurpose them or upcycle them? Leave a comment below and tell me your thoughts on flat sheets, because I feel like it's just a waste of space in my closet because my kids don't even use it. I mean, they kick it off the bed, or it's like when they make up their bed, they feel like it's a hassle. So comment below, let me know. So, okay. Let's start back on this because it's starting to get dark outside and I want to be done before a certain time because I need to cook dinner. So let's jump right back in. So I wanted to show you what I'm doing. So I did my son Zach's bin. He has his 2 towels and his 1 set of sheets. That's it. So each bin will have this. Now me and my husband, we have like 4 sets of sheets for our bed, so we'll see what we're gonna do with that. But his goes right here. And it's organized, it's clean. That's how all of them is gonna look. So I will show you the finished results. It's now the next day. I just finished doing the linen closet. Yeah, linen closet. If you hear noises, my kids, they're on vacation this week. But I just want to show you really quick how I did it. Again, just do what works best for your space. It doesn't have to be anything particular. As long as you're happy at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Again, sorry for the noises, my kids. So, let me show you what it looks like. So here's the door, and when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And I switched out to bins because it just works better for our family. It's been just the first day, and it's been working so far. So like in each bin, there's their towel and 1 set of sheets. Each of my kids have 2 sets of sheets, so one's on the bed now, one's in there. 2 towels. As you can see, my son used one of his. He has it hung up over here. So I just took the labels that I had before, put it on their basket, and the reason why it's different colors because the color of their name is the color of the towel they have. Up on top up there are the beach towels. Over here, that is extra king size sheets. Over here is an extra pillowcases and sheets. I've given away so much stuff, and this is all washcloths. I decided to get all the same color washcloths because it's just easier to do laundry. So I got this color gray. Everything I got from Target and Amazon. I will link it down below. These bins came from Amazon. There were 6 for, I believe, $13.99. Again, I'll link it down below. I have 1 extra bin, and this one holds my skincare routine that I use. Down below, I kept the same bins I had, which is these IKEA bins, cloth bins. I keep extra toilet paper in there. This has extra old towels and 1 set of sheets that I could not fit up there, so I just put it there. So this is the finished product. I like it. Like I say, I'm happy. That's all that matters. And hopefully it'll keep this closet more organized, because when it was just out in the open, it was just a mess. And this way it's just so much easier. Again, I'm not trying to be a minimalist, but I am trying to minimize a lot of our stuff. I'm starting to realize that the reason, like my office, I show it so many times, and I've reorganized it so many times. That's just one space I can't keep clean, and I'm realizing it's because I have too much stuff, so I'm purging that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this type of stuff. Please hit the subscribe button down below. And guys, thank you so much, and until we meet again, have a blessed day. Bye.